top level, but there were people in our seats, weren't there? So now we found seats on the bottom.
Yep.
We're here in Zurich.
That big t-shirt.
Yep.
Watch it. See, it's... Wait, Dad, is that our apartment?
We're on this side over here.
Wait, I think I know what happened. I think... Mom, there's trash in there.
No, that's not good, is it?
Why do people lay trash in there?
I don't know. They need to find a garbage can, don't they?
Hey, there's only one room.
Oh, there's a bedroom right here, buddy.
And the bathroom's right there. Bedroom is right here. But are there any other rooms?
We're just here for 2 nights.
How do you press this button?
We are at our Airbnb, so I'll do a quick tour. It's pretty small, but it's cute. This is the bathroom. There's a washer dryer set up, a small shower. I'm not sure how we're gonna manage that without getting water everywhere, but we'll figure it out. So, bathroom. Then if you come out here, this is the big living room. There's a little kitchen, coffee, which is all I am concerned about. You could technically do dishes here, or not dishes, like cook food and stuff here, but I don't think we'll do that. We are gonna go walk down to a grocery store to get some water bottles and stuff, maybe some fruit or something. I don't know. But this is the living room, and here is the view, which is definitely the selling point. Coming. And the last thing is this little bedroom, which I'll turn the light on. Pretty small, but that's okay. When I came and looked in here and I saw that there was something on the floor, and I was like, what the heck is that? And so I took a piece of toilet paper and I was wiping it up off the floor. It looked like blood or something, but I'm just gonna say it was like a smushed berry. I don't know. It was kind of nasty, but it's gone. Whatever. So
let's go.
we're gonna go to the grocery store now. Popcorn. We got water, milk, marshmallow crunchies, little chunk of watermelon, and some pretzels hummus. Jacob went to a FIFA museum, so like a soccer museum. The plan was for all of us to go, but when we got to the Airbnb, Lankin and I were very tired, so he just went by himself.
Nice to see you like that and mom.
Ooh. Look at those ones right there.
Big thing of pink right next to that white one.
But what is that thing right there?
What thing?
Like it looks like there's like a stick. On the other side here, or on this side here.
With KP?
This video?
No.
Hey dude, are you gonna try cheese fondue?
What's a cheese fondue?
It's a big bowl of cheese and you dip stuff in it.
No. I don't like that smell. I don't like that
Look at it's
smell.
bubbling.
Bubbly cheese.
All that schnitzel you got.
You want some ketchup? Yeah, the couple things.
Hartbrücke.
I can't believe we're on the top floor. Guys, what if there was a train that had 5 floors?
Dürfen die dann hier unten auch stehen bleiben? Müssen ein bisschen höher sitzen, ne? Dann haben wir Ziel so.
It's raining, isn't it, man? Keep going. I'm venturing out on my own to go find coffee because I used all the little K-cups in the room and it is dead out here. There's trash and just empty bottles all over the place. gift shop.
The gift shop.
What was the favorite food that you ate?
The bread.
What was it?
The bread.
Bread.
The bread.